Lisa, the other news that we have that just broke as we were coming on the air is a gag order from Judge Merchan here in New York City. What's this regarding?
So the DA's office had asked Judge Merchan to place a gag order on former President Trump with respect to his extrajudicial statements. That's a fancy way of saying anything he says outside of the courtroom. They asked for 3 categories of prohibitions. They asked for prohibitions on what he said about known or potential witnesses. They asked for prohibitions on what he could say about any counsel in the case other than Alvin Bragg himself, the elected district attorney, and any court staff, as well as any family members of those people that are made with the intent to or with the realization that they would interfere with the administration of justice. And finally, they asked that he be prohibited from making public statements about any prospective juror or juror in the proceeding. That's a recognition that just having an anonymous jury here through jury selection wouldn't be enough to protect the jurors. In this case, at least on my first look, everything that the DA asked for in that gag order, they got today with some really harsh words from Judge Merchan about the impact of Trump's statements on people outside this case and within this case so far.
Trump has appealed gag orders before, arguing that they violate his free speech, especially as he's running a campaign. Might we expect them to appeal this one?
We can definitely expect that they'll appeal it, and I think it will similarly fall on deaf ears because with each passing case, Trump accumulates a record of threatening participants in the judicial proceedings. It's held up so far at the D.C. Circuit. I also expect that a New York court will sustain this gag order.
Well, the D.C. Circuit gag order, though, was limited. It was scaled back a little bit. It remained in place, but it wasn't quite as broad as it was initially laid out. Am I wrong about that?
No, it was scaled back somewhat. But again, this is fairly modest. It's targeted with respect to 3 categories of individuals. And it talks not just about making statements. For example, Trump can make statements about witnesses in the case. What he can't do is make statements about them, I'm quoting from the order here, concerning their potential participation in the investigation or in this criminal proceeding. So can he say, I don't like Michael Cohen? Absolutely. Can he say that Michael Cohen is a perjurer and is likely to perjure himself in this case in his testimony? No, he cannot.
Hey, everyone. MSNBC has a new and improved app. You'll get real-time alerts and analysis, live blogs, in-depth essays, video highlights, and the best 2024 election coverage. Download the new MSNBC app. Here's how to do it. You tap on the App Store on your phone. You hit search on the bottom right corner. You type in MSNBC. You click on the MSNBC app. You click on Get or the cloud icon and enjoy it.